Hello, assalamualaikum guys. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Okay, last week, we already create the our first game in Godot Engine. So we create a movable character and a platform and the enemies. Okay, so now for this week lab, I will cover about uh, the lab about the level. Okay, I designed this level. We have coins added with the animation. Okay, I designed the level based on the video, and then I also create the portal, which if the player enter the portal, it will transfer the player to the next level. Okay, so I will run the game. Okay, this is our level 1. Sorry, it's my face just now. I will play this scene. I think this one. Yeah. Okay, this is our interface. Let's go. Collect the coin. Then we jump. Okay, then there's an enemy will chase us. So we need to jump above us. Yes. Then boom. So we can go to the next level. When we enter the portal, it will come to the next level, which I don't design it yet. Okay, but it's working completely. Okay, I think that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe and leave a good comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.